this Argos support video, we will guide you through the first-time installation on your bushfire TV with Freely. Before you begin, place the TV screen face down on a clean, soft, flat surface to prevent any damage and fit the feet. Firstly, check the markings on each foot to ensure they are positioned in the correct direction. Match the arrow direction on each foot with a corresponding arrow on the TV. Align the feet with the slots on the bottom of the TV. Gently insert each foot into place until it fits securely. Using the screws provided, fasten the feet to the TV. Larger TV models may have 2 screws for each foot. Ensure all screws are tightened securely, but take care not to over-tighten. Once complete, carefully lift the TV and place it upright on a stable, level surface. Next, locate the power input on the back of the TV. Insert the power cable firmly into the socket. Then, connect your digital aerial, cable or satellite box to the TV. It is important to note, as this TV has Freely built in, it doesn't require an aerial to watch live TV. Freely works over the internet. Next, plug the TV into the mains power. Press the standby button to turn the TV on. Now, scroll to your desired language and press select. Then scroll to your desired country and press select. The remote will then pair automatically with the TV. Scroll to enable and press select to continue. You can now choose to set up using your phone or proceed by pressing select on the remote. Scroll to your desired Wi-Fi network and press select. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the virtual keyboard, then select Connect. The TV will now check for any available updates and install them. Once complete, select your preferred option, such as signing into an account, and press select. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in to your Amazon account. Scroll to continue and press select. You will now be guided through a series of setup preferences. Scroll to your desired options and press select to confirm each one, including Amazon Prime preferences, kid-friendly content, and app selections. Continue by pressing select to proceed. Now perform a channel scan. Scroll to your desired channel type and press select. Then, scroll to your preferred transmission method and press select. The TV will begin scanning for all available channels. If you are using an internet connection rather than aerial, make sure you select internet channels for your scan. Once the scan is complete, enter your postcode using the virtual keyboard, then select Next. Press select to continue. Scroll to Done and press select. You can now choose your parental control settings by scrolling to your preferred option. Scroll to your profile and press select to finish personalizing your experience. To access live TV, press the live button on your remote. Press select to confirm any final prompts. The setup on your TV is now complete. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.